Today, I am going to show you a 100% free Microsoft Excel course that also gives you a free certificate after completion. Alright, now let's see how to easily log into the website, successfully complete the course, and get your certificate. This beginner-friendly course is offered through a collaboration between Microsoft and the smartlearn skill-up platform. First, go to the Play Store or Google Chrome and search for smartlearn online courses. Download it. After that, you will see a sign-in button. Click it and fill in your basic details. For this, your profile must be at least 60% complete. Once you fill in your initial basic details, click on the profile icon and go to Edit. From there, make sure to provide the remaining basic details and contact details. After setting up your profile like this, go to the Home tab and search for Introduction to Microsoft Excel, then click on it. Even if you have absolutely no prior experience with Excel, you can start this course. You can complete it within 90 days. All you have to do is a very simple thing, just watch these videos until the end. Also, after some videos finish, they will ask you a few questions and you need to answer them correctly. As you watch the videos, your progress percentage will increase right here. There are 13 simple lectures in total. Once you complete the course in this manner, your certificate will be unlocked instantly. You can share this directly to your LinkedIn profile, or you can download it as a PDF. If you are a student or a job seeker, this skill will be incredibly valuable for your future. So, the course link is in the description. Go, enroll now, complete the course, and earn your certificate. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Smart Insights for more free courses and AI tools.